Find, find. Encontrar, hallar. I have to find my wallet. I have to find my wallet. Tengo que encontrar mi cartera. Put, put. Poner. Put the plants by the window. Put the plants by the window. Pon las plantas junto a la ventana. Keep, keep. Mantener. Keep the floor clean. Keep the floor clean. Mantén el piso limpio. Show, show. Mostrar. They can show you the puppies. They can show you the puppies. Ellos te pueden mostrar a los cachorros. Hold, hold. Sostener, sujetar. Hold the mic. Hold the mic. Sostén el micrófono. Ask, ask. Preguntar. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? ¿Te puedo preguntar algo? Run, run. Correr. Patty runs twice a week. Patty runs twice a week. Patty corre 2 veces a la semana. Meet, meet. Reunirse, conocer. Let's meet on Friday. Let's meet on Friday. Reunámonos el viernes. Bring, bring. Traer. Bring the chair over here. Bring the chair over here. Trae la silla aquí. Follow, follow. Seguir. Follow the instructions. Follow the instructions. Sigue las instrucciones.